Edo state government don kick off Operation Plan Edo. Una go remember say on Tuesday, state government yarn say they wan start Operation Plan Edo wey go carry waka enter different communities to know wetin dem need and how government go take help dem. Dis operation don begin today wey be Thursday, May 12, 2022 for Ugbo inside Oredo local government area. For the first phase for the operation, government train people from different ministries to go inside different communities to help government collect informate on top the problems wey dey shele inside the communities and consumer the informate give government through handheld devices. Isoke Omo wey be commissioner for physical planning, urban and regional development wey flag off the program on behalf of Edo state government come follow Kesiti in Osifo wey dem gather be oga for local government admin yarn say this program go help government know wetin the people want.
Today we flag off Operation Plan Edo, which metamorphosed from Operation Show Your Building Plan. You may recall that we started in Amagba and Ogege in March. But what has happened is that the findings from Amagba and Ogege has led the government to say that we need to engage with our people to know exactly what they need in their communities. What is the status of the water? What about power? What about markets? What about schools, health centers? What is the state of the roads? What services do they actually require? How do we provide these services for them quickly? Do they have police stations? How do we engage with our people to be sure that we are giving them the services that they require? So we have migrated from Operation Show Your Building Plan to Operation Plan Edo. So now there are key ministries going around with Ministry of Fiscal Planning to get data, to find out from you how the Edo state government can serve you better. And based on this data, we'll go to the communities and provide them the services like they need. For example, we'll be returning back to Amagba now to ask them for land for police station, to ask them for a central place for a market, to ask for where we'll provide primary school and all of those other things. If we did not do this exercise, we would not have reached them this quick. So we're going around the 18 local governments to get this information. We will see our people going around dressed in the way you have seen us today with handheld devices, getting information. Once this information is put in the device, it comes straight to the back office where this data is collected for each ministry to use. And once we do that, we'll start giving you things that you actually specifically need for your local government, for your community, for your ward, for your unit. We have also spoken to the people. We are here to get information. We are here to serve you. You should allow the people to work without fear of attack. We do not expect that to be a repeat. Edo people are better than that. We do not expect them to do it again.
I will implore the people of Oredo local government to cooperate with this committee. It's an avenue for us to upgrade our facilities, which has been in a deplorable situation. Cooperate with the people, share your data with them, share your problem with them, and at the end, we will go back, this data, we will analyze it, then at the end, we will now give you feedback. For Amagba now, we are planning to have a police station, we are planning to have a market, school, because we have just passed that first stage.
Government provides security to help them do their work without any katakata. Ebu Sereme Ubinome, TMC TV News.